Have you ever wondered what our world would be like without animals? I mean, completely gone? No birds chirping in the morning, no dogs to greet you at the door, no fish in the ocean. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but let's dive into what would really happen if all the animals on Earth vanished overnight. First, let's talk about the immediate silence. The world would become eerily quiet. The buzzing of bees, the songs of whales, the rustling in the bush, all gone. This sudden quiet would be the first sign that something is terribly wrong. But the real chaos would start in our ecosystems. Without bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, a huge number of plants would be in big trouble. Think about it, about 75% of the world's flowering plants and around 35% of the world's food crops depend on animal pollinators to reproduce. Without them, we could say goodbye to apples, almonds, blueberries, and even coffee and chocolate. Our food supply chain would collapse almost instantly, leading to widespread famine. Then, there's the decomposition problem. Imagine a world without scavengers like vultures, or decomposers like worms and certain insects. Dead plants and organic waste would pile up everywhere. Nutrients wouldn't be returned to the soil, making it less fertile. Forests would become massive tinderboxes, full of dead wood and leaves, leading to uncontrollable wildfires. The natural cycle of life, death, and renewal would grind to a halt. What about the oceans? They cover over 70% of our planet, and without marine animals, they would transform into desolate, dead zones. Coral reefs, which are vibrant cities of the sea built by tiny animals called polyps, would die off. This would wipe out the habitat for countless species, assuming they hadn't already vanished. Plankton, the base of the marine food web, would be severely affected. Since the phytoplankton produce a huge chunk of the Earth's oxygen, we'd eventually face an oxygen crisis. We literally wouldn't be able to breathe. The impact on humanity would be devastating, and not just because of food shortages. Millions of people rely on animals for their livelihood. Farmers, fishermen, and those in the tourism industry. The global economy would take a massive hit. Beyond the economic and survival aspects, think about the psychological toll. The loss of companionship from pets, the absence of wildlife to marvel at. It would create a profound sense of loneliness and disconnection from nature. Our art, culture, and stories are filled with animals. Losing them would mean losing a part of our own identity. The domino effect would be unstoppable. Plant species would start dying out due to lack of pollination and poor soil. This would alter landscapes, leading to massive soil erosion. Rivers would be choked with sediment, and clean water would become scarce. The air quality would plummet without the oxygen-producing and carbon-cycling roles that ocean ecosystems play. Essentially, the planet's life support systems would shut down one by one. So, a world without animals isn't just a quieter, lonelier place. It's a world that couldn't sustain human life for very long. Every single creature, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Their disappearance would trigger a chain reaction that would ultimately lead to our own extinction. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? It really highlights how interconnected everything is and why protecting biodiversity is not just about saving cute animals. It's about saving ourselves. Thanks for watching. If this video made you think, please give it a like and subscribe for more content that explores our amazing world. See you next time.